In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Node.js, set up Claude Code on Windows, and log in from the command prompt. First, open your browser and head to the official Node.js website. On the home page, click the download button, then choose the Windows installer option. Your browser will start downloading the installer. Once it's finished, open the file and follow the on-screen setup to complete the installation. Keep the default options unless you know you need something specific, and allow the installer to make changes if Windows asks for permission. Next, go to the Claude website, find the section for Claude Code. From there, open the advanced installation page. Scroll down until you see the standard installation instructions. You'll find a command provided there specifically for Windows. Highlight that command and copy it to your clipboard. You'll paste it in a moment. Now go to the Windows search bar and type command prompt, then open it. In the command prompt window, type node -v and press enter. You should see the installed node.js version appear. This confirms that Node.js is set up correctly and that your command line can access it. With that confirmed, paste the command you copied from the Claude Code standard installation section into the command prompt, then press enter. The installation will run and may take a moment. Let it finish completely. After that, open File Explorer. In the location where you want to keep your work, right-click in an empty area and choose the option to create a new folder. Click on New Folder, then rename it to something meaningful for your project. Open that folder. At the top of the File Explorer window, click the address bar, type cmd, and press enter. This opens a command prompt window directly in your new folder, which makes managing files and running commands easier. In this new command prompt, type Claude and press enter. If you're prompted to choose yes and continue, go ahead and confirm to allow the tool to run as expected. Once it launches, type /login and press enter. Follow the sign-in instructions shown in the terminal to link your account. To finish and use Claude Code beyond the login, you'll need an active subscription. Make sure your plan is set up on the Claude website, then return to the terminal if needed to complete any remaining prompts. At this point, your environment is ready, and you can start using Claude Code from